And this flatbed, obviously he went in the wrong lane. He supposed to went in that lane right there if you're gonna make a left-hand turn. But he's in my lane, in the right-hand lane, right turning lane. And now I gotta sit and wait for him to make a left-hand turn because I gotta make a right-hand turn. Obviously, he don't know his traffic road signs or something. You can tell how those two lanes right there like split apart from each other. One for the left, one for the right. But you know, they got these truck drivers, boy, they just blocking the intersection. Will not let another truck driver by. And I've been here for about almost 5 minutes. Let me see what he about to do. Nope. I swear, ain't no love for truck drivers, I swear. I thought that he had it, but these truck drivers not gonna. Let me see how long it's gonna take, cause I already waited 5 minutes, but he messing me up, cause I just can make a quick right. But this is a blank intersection, anyways, and they should have a traffic light right here, because this is a very, very dangerous intersection, because a lot of truck drivers come up and down these roads, and cars too. And as you can tell, what you just saw, everybody blocked this intersection for the truck drivers cannot get across. He need to get across. But let's see what's gonna happen again. Alright, the international stop for him. What this car here about to do? Okay. Another international pulling up. Okay, that very nice. The other Freightliner stop. No, he pulled up on him. I be dang, man, that's messed up, Freightliner. Look at that. No courtesy for other truck drivers. That's a crime shame, man. That's a crime shame. All the truck drivers who did not let that flatbed go across, y'all should be ashamed. Straight up ridiculous. Ain't no love out here for truck drivers at all. Like, truck drivers against truck drivers, basically, man. For real. We gotta stick together, but we're not sticking together, man. We ain't sticking together. Like, and like he darted out there. He like, hell nah. All right, good job. But you're in the wrong lane, Coastal Transport. You're in the wrong lane, my friend. Wrong lane. Let me see. Let's see what about to do. Traffic ain't that bad for me. I guess I got lucky, I guess. But now he way down there now. Alright, you guys. I thought I'd film, show you guys how the truck drivers don't pay attention to the road signs, and how the truck drivers really don't have no consideration for other truck drivers that need to go across the road. Alright, guys. Hey, somebody knocked that sign down. Goodness gracious, somebody tore that railroad crossing sign down. Goodness gracious. Jesus. Alright, guys. Peace and God bless out here, man.